Hello guys, today I'm going to show you about this very special things. This is a credit card knife. I bought this from Paytm Mall and today I'm going to unbox this. Please share this video, like this video, comment on this video and please subscribe to my channel. So I have just opened the box well and nice. Let's open it from here also. And from here I've opened it already. So let's see. I bought this for only 129 rupees. So okay. This is the bill. Let me show it to you. And see here, it costed me 129 rupees. And this is our main thing. And this is just bubble wrap, lots and lots of bubble wrap. So let's throw this away. And this is our main thing. So here it's written, you can see, Card Sharp Credit Card Folding Safety Knife QC Pass. So let's open it. This is our card. It is manufactured by a company like Chinese company Ion Sinclair. There's a let's open it. So here's some quick start guide. So then please read it carefully. Some branding. And this is our main product, the credit card knife. Okay. So okay, this is the thing. And let me see how to open it. I think it's like we have to do it from here. Make it straight. Okay. Not understanding how to do this. Okay. So this is the credit card knife. After opening, I have to read the instruction how to open it. So it's written green circle segmented blade is locked. Okay. What do I do is open this. Continue to fold blade. Okay. So what I have to do is I have to turn this flap, which as I've already done. Open this and we have to do this like completely. And it's a little bit tight actually. Now we have to do is what I have to do. I'm not understanding it. Okay. So here. Okay. First this, then lock this. So rivets. So this is my knife. It's quite sharp. It's made of steel. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment on this video.